Amidst the sky so blue and bright, a world of wonders gleams in sight. With colors dancing, laughter sound, in nature's embrace, dreams are found. Butterflies flutter, flowers bloom, whispers of magic, a sweet perfume. Let your heart be wild and free. In this enchanted realm, you'll see the sun and moon, a cosmic dance. In harmony, they both enhance. So cherish every joyful day. In this whimsical world, you'll play magical nature dream. In twilight's glow, stars dance on high. Moonbeams weave dreams in the sky. Whispers of nature, soft and sweet, where enchanted forests and rivers meet. Colors burst in a kaleidoscope swirl. Nature's canvas, a magical twirl. Butterflies flutter, flowers bloom. In this world of wonder, there's endless room. With laughter and joy, we skip and play, embracing the beauty of each new day. In this land of dreams, young hearts fly, a magical place where imaginations sigh.